Treats. This your main man. Keep it clean, Ray. Coming back with another video. This right here, man, I bought this back in, I think one of them May drops. Finally done showed up. Man, I bought a t-shirt with this company a while back, and I was highly impressed with it. So I came back for another one. Come on in, let me show y'all what we got. You know, I don't know, for some reason I like green shirts. For some reason. You know what I'm saying? Then you got a hit of that blue, look at that blue rose. Born and raised action. Ever since I got them born and raised dunks, man, I've been rocking with their clothes, man. Y'all see that? In the back. Voila, magic. I can't remember the name of this collection. I just get the emails, and then when I see a shirt that I like, I just get it. I saw this green one, I said, oh yeah, I like that green, especially with that blue roll on the turf. These things kind of thick too, man. These ain't them thin t-shirts. They thick. Feel like they got weight to it. Sound like they got weight to it. But yeah, that's that. Y'all see it. Tell me if you like it. All that good stuff. Now we got some treats. Some more treats. Let's just open this box up. Y'all see what's going on? Purple box action. Y'all know what it can be then. You don't want to come out. Come on. Flip it upside down, but y'all don't need to see the address. Tell you what, do a pump fake, look away for it one time, cameraman. Be back. So look, Nike SB action. I want to say these came out either in 2023 or the top of 2024, something like that. So yeah, Nike SB dunks. I ordered them from a skate shop, like the SB. Can't remember the name of the skate shop right off top. Y'all see what it is? White, black check gone bottom, action. You know, I like to get out. Hey, ooh, ain't that special, but you know, just a little something to put one right here. Yeah, y'all think I be just shopping on gold and all that time? Now I do my research, find some shoes here and there when I missed the drop. Got a nice little, look at that. Y'all, for y'all who love that leather, look at that toe bar. These ain't them pounder dunk leather. Here, the real deal. Nike SB, like I said, some stuff that I already done came out. I actually got these shoes because I need a nice little beater that can go with some of everything. This will be a good shoe to travel in. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to bring all your own heat out. You can bring something like this and be stylish in them, all that good stuff. Get you some wearing with some Nike socks with the black shit. Y'all know how I go. You know what I'm saying? That's special, Nike SB. This is my third SB low actually. Third SB low. But yeah. Shoot, I put one on feet just for a little something. Nike BornxRaised all 2024. Y'all been seeing what's going on with me. But I put this on feet for you, just so y'all can see. You know, SB feel a little snugger than your regular dunks. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh yeah. Y'all see what's going on. This ain't the outfit I'm rocking with it. I'm just putting them on. Yeah. I'm gonna take these shoes out of town with me. We're gonna have some memorabilia going on in these. Treats, baby. Treats. Yeah, good treats. Good treats. Hey man, you work all day, treat yourself sometime. That's been a message. And but look though, I'm always gonna be your main man. Keep it clean, Ray.